Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a product promo video using Canva. So I went ahead and I selected all the products that I'll be using for this video. I'm going to add a next page, and then I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to search a podium, 3D podium. So I'm going to go to graphics. I'm going to work with this one. Now I'm going to add a shape. Adjust the size of the shape, duplicate, adjust it again. I'm going to select them, duplicate, put it to the next side. Put the small one out. We're going to bring down the podium, select the three dots, layers, bring to front. Now I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to bring it to the bottom. Now I'm going to select a circle frame and a circle border. Alright, so I'm going to adjust the size of the border, frame, I'm going to bring the frame to the front. I'm going to group. Once I group, I'm going to bring it here, adjust the size. I'm going to select the three dots, layers, send to back. Once I do that, I'm going to add a video. Add it to the frame, center the frame. Now I'm going to add a background and some elements to give it more life. So I'm going to add this palm leaf. I'm going to add it to the next side. Bring it up. Now I'm going to add this button. I'm going to resize. Bring it right here. And I'm going to go to text. Add a text. Shop now. I'm going to change the color of that. White. Bring it here. Now I'm going to group. I'm going to select it again. I'm going to animate. And to scroll to pause. I'm going to add a next text. Buy one, get two. I'm going to change the color. To white. Bring it here, adjust the size. Okay, so I'm going to go to effects. I'm going to add the effect lift. I'm going to maximize it to 100. I'm going to go to the font. I'm going to change the font of this. Then I'm going to go to animate. I'm going to add an animation. Perfect. Alright, so what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to select the frame, going to right click, scroll to lock, select lock. Alright, now I'm going to duplicate the page, going to resize on the duplicated one, resize, bring this to the top, resize, okay, so let me select all of this. Alright, so let me unlock this one for now. Then when I reach back to it, I'm going to lock it again. Going to resize it. Going to put the shop now right here. Add this to this corner. I'm going to go here. I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to bring it right here. Now if you want to resize them, so you want to make them bigger or smaller, you want to rotate them, you're going to select the frame, going to right click, then you're going to lock it, then you're just going to adjust it to however you like. Once you do that, you're going to select back the frame, unlock. Alright, so let me adjust the timing of this one. I'm going to go back here and select all of them, duplicate, add it to the second page. Once I do that, I'm going to ensure that my frame is locked. I'm going to select the products, I'm going to add them to the podium, resize, rotate if it is necessary. I'm going to rotate. Right, so I'm going to adjust the size of all of them. I'm going to rotate this a bit. I'm going to go to position, layers, want the bag to come in first, then I want the lip gloss, then the heels, then the watch, then the brush, then the computer. Alright, so I'm going to go back to the front page. I'm going to add a background. I'm going to add some elements. Okay, so I'm going to add this button. Going to flip, And to bring this one to the front, because it was hiding behind the plant. Okay, so I'm going to add a text. I'm going to adjust the line spacing. I'm going to resize. I'm going to add an animation. Okay, so I'm going to go to the second page. I'm going to select the products. I'm going to select Animate. I'm going to select Tumble. I'm going to add Tumble to all of them. Okay, so I'm going to go to position. I'm going to select all of them to ensure the animation is added. Perfect. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the three dots on one of the product, show timing, adjust the timing. So I'm going to select the bag first. Okay, so we're going to start it right there. Going to put it to 2.7. We're going to go to the lip gloss. The eels. The watch. The brush. The computer. Now we're going to select it, three dots, hide timing. Okay, so we're going to go back to the first page. We're going to go to transition. For this one, we're going to add circle wipe. Alright, so we're going to go right here. We're going to add the transition match and move for this part. I'm going to select right here and play the video to check that everything is fine. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.